want to be able to turn something off. And I did a little research and I figured out a way to turn the annoying seatbelt reminder off. So I'd like to share it with you guys. So what you need to do is turn the truck off. Push the parking brake in. One press back on. And then if you look over there by the check engine light, you'll see a seatbelt light lit up. And when that turns off, we're gonna put the seatbelt on 3 times. On and off, on and off, on and off. And then the seatbelt light is supposed to blink or something. And then one more time. And I think there's a confirmation chime after that. So let's get that seatbelt light off. I'm gonna get my seatbelt ready just in case. All right, there we go. So 1, 2, 3, comes back on one more time, and off. Okay, that's it. Very easy. So, to sum it up, in your truck, one press of the start button, emergency brake on, truck is not running, seatbelt light is on, wait for the seatbelt light to go off, which is about a minute or so, and then buckle and unbuckle 3 times. So buckle, unbuckle, buckle, unbuckle, buckle, unbuckle, and then wait for the light to come back on, and one more time, and then you've seen it, it blinks at you. So, and the only way to test it is to drive somewhere, like sitting at a red light. It doesn't go bing, bing, bing. So, you know, I'm not going anywhere, so I guess I'll have to test it out later on. But hopefully that helped you guys out. Have a good night.